नमस्ते मेरा नाम साइमन है मैं लंदन से मैं जयपुर में हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ So I am here in Jaipur studying Hindi for a week. I took up Hindi during the COVID lockdown and I found several different teachers and tried them before I found Indian Lingua and my teacher Mukesh. And I decided then that I wanted to come to Jaipur for a week to do the immersion course. So I've been staying in Michael's homestay. They're a lovely family. They've made me feel at home, providing me with breakfast and dinner every day, and the opportunity to sit with them and practice and speak in Hindi, which has been good fun, and they're very patient. And they live near some shops, so every evening I go out and I buy a few things and talk with shopkeepers. I've even been chatting with the local children and playing some cricket with them. I would say my cricket is slightly better than my Hindi. The classes I've done every day for a week, so I do 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. One-to-one teaching has been a great benefit to me. My Hindi has improved massively. Mukesh and Rishi are very good teachers, not only experts at explaining all the different concepts, they're very patient, and they teach with good humour. So they make it fun, which is important because it's quite an intensive experience. But every day I have a break, and during that break I go to the local shops, some of the local places, and that also gives me an opportunity to speak with people, practice my Hindi, have a little bit of fun. So I've really enjoyed it. It's been such a good experience. I will definitely be back. So if you're thinking about doing a Hindi immersion course, I would really recommend it. I wish now I had chosen to do 2 weeks instead of 1 week, but maybe next time.